Okay children, today we are going to make a paper cat. Now let us see how we have to make it. I have a rectangular paper. Okay, rectangular A4 size sheet. Now I will make it into a square sheet. Let us see how to do that. Hold the paper from this corner. Okay, hold it from here and fold it. Fold the sheet and press it here firmly. Okay, now this is the extra sheet. We have to cut it off. Now this extra sheet we will keep aside. Now see, now this is a square sheet. Now we have got a square sheet. Okay, now let us fold it like this. Fold it, then from this corner fold it like this. Then hold the sheet from here and fold it again. See how we have folded? From here I have folded and from here I have folded. Okay, this is how I have folded the sheet. Now hold it from this corner and fold it again. See, I have folded it from here. Now hold the sheet from here and fold it again. See, fold it from here and fold it from here. Okay, this much done. Now I will fold the sheet from here again. See, I have folded from here. And hold the sheet from this corner and fold a little. Now your paper cat is ready. We just need to make the eyes, nose and mouth. So let us make the eyes. Filled with black here. See, now your paper cat is ready. Okay.